So block printing with metallics, water-based metallics, they are almost like a gold leaf once you print with it. The main thing to remember is you've got to be really careful when you are inking the plate up. So they'll feel similar, just probably a little bit looser than standard colours. Much like the fluorescents, if you've tried those, they're a lot looser, less dense than the normal colours, which is just the way they've had to be formulated to work. If you just work the metallic out a little bit, start hearing or feeling that tackiness, and once again, continue to look across the plate. Continue to check the sheen level all the way across, making sure you've got coverage. Really, inking up is probably the most important part of printmaking. I'm just experimenting here, mixing the silver and gold together, just to try and get that variegation between colours. Now once again, I'll look at the plate and make sure it's covered evenly across. And I'm actually going to use some black card so you can really see the metallic. So that's the metallics in the Derivan block printing range. Give them a try.